Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Catalog, your #1 channel for fashion and beauty DIY. So today we are going to be doing another turban. Now we are going to need our fabric, our scissors, chalk, tape, and then some pins, of course our thread and our needle. So to cut out my base, I folded my fabric into two. I folded in half and then I measured out 12 inches by 11 inches. I measured 12 by 11. That is a rectangle of 24 inches by 11 inches. And then I did a 0.75, that is 3/4 inches hemming for this particular job. I hemmed all round for my top. And the next thing I did was to join the sides. I started by joining my sides and then made folds. Now why I like doing this fold is because it doesn't come out bulky at the top. You know, there are times when you see some people's turban, or probably you're just sitting behind somebody and you're just laughing at whatever it is the person is saying. If I don't fold this place, it will have one funny shape when one on the head. So that is why I like making this fold here. So when I am done, I will simply turn out my turban and set it aside as usual. I'll set this aside as usual. Now I'm going to use this strip to cut out a circle. I'm going to now, of course, if you can cut out this circle in two ways. You can actually get something that has the same diameter as what you need, or you can cut it out like the way you cut your normal 360-degree flare. Do you understand? You can cut it out the way you cut your 360-degree flare, or you just open it up and place something that has the same circumference as what you want to cut on top of it. So I will fold first and then I will fold again. This is how to cut your 360-degree flare. So because this cut is out here, I'm going to use this seven. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to thread my needle, and then I'll just knot and I'll start pulling. So this is just like making gathers on a cloth. This is just like making gathers. So I'm going to do this round my circle. After pulling everything, I'll just draw this thread. I'm trying to pass my thread once more so that I'll get a firm packing. This won't disappoint me along the just knot my thread to hold this securely in place. So you can see what it looks like. So on a second thought, I actually decided to make another one with a different color. So I made another one with a different color so that the beauty will come out even more. I will place this on top of this place. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to place this on top of this, place this on top of this, then I'm going to use this to cover this portion. So I'm going to sew everything together and then I will tack it on. I'm going to tack it down like this and then tack them down to my base. So I will go and sew them and come back and show you what it looks like.